Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television. Today, the Nelson Air story. Best of the Best travels all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today in California. Congratulations to the incredible team at Nelson Air, Heating and Air Conditioning in Yorba Linda, California, for winning national recognition for Best of the Best Television, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service since 2004. Best of the Best Television never tells a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website and everything we can find online about that company. We love the Nelson Air story. At Best of the Best Television, we really value small family companies that become market leaders through old-fashioned hard work, integrity, uncommon customer service, and staying on the cutting edge of their industries. Nelson Air is that company. This is the quintessential American family business success story. Scott Nelson is a hands-on owner with a stellar reputation for incredible skill and customer service. He's one of those guys who can fix anything, and he has built Nelson Air on a foundation of honesty and integrity, which is why so many both commercial and residential clients have had Nelson Air on speed dial for years. At Best of the Best Television, we care most about what real customers say about any business. And frankly, we've never seen better Yelp reviews for an HVAC company than we have for Nelson Air. Clients simply rave about the above and beyond customer service and workmanship, very fair pricing, and Scott is just a great guy to deal with. Scott and his team work on every major name in heating and air products out there. The Nelson team does new equipment, including high-tech thermostats that can save people so much money each month. If you've not had new HVAC equipment like a heater or air conditioner on your home or office in years, you might be shocked at how much more efficient these new systems are. Finally, our research shows there are lots of much larger heating and air companies in this part of California, but none with a better reputation than Nelson. Congratulations to Scott and the team at Nelson Air on this national honor from Best of the Best Television, and for doing business only one way for many years, the right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it. Nelson Air, the best of the best? You bet. For Best of the Best Television, I'm Rich Noonan. We'll see you next time.